Welcome. So in this video, we're gonna find out which one is better, Obsidian or Notion. Okay, so let's just go ahead with the features of Obsidian. So Obsidian is a knowledge management tool that creates and organizes interconnected plain notes. It uses a Markdown-based editing system, allowing you to write and format your notes using plain text with lightweight markup. Obsidian emphasizes the concept of a knowledge graph where you can create links between nodes, forming a network of interconnected ideas. It supports bi-directional linking, which means you can easily navigate between related nodes and establish connections within your knowledge base. Lastly, Obsidian is highly customizable and extensive extensible with support for themes, plugins, and community created extensions. Okay, now for Notion. So, Notion is a versatile all in one workspace that combines note taking, project management, task organization, and collaboration features. It offers a visual and flexible interface, allowing you to create rich content with text, tables, lists, and media, and more. It provides pre-built templates and databases, making it easy to create structured content like to-do lists, calendars, Kanban boards, and team wikis. It supports real-time collaboration, enabling teams to work together on shared documents and projects. Notion has a wide range of integrations with other tools and services, making it convenient to connect your workflow across different platforms. So, if you prefer a text based interconnected note taking tool with a strong emphasis on a knowledge graph, Obsidian might be a better fit for you. On the other hand, if you need a more versatile and collaborative workspace that supports various content types and offers extensive customi- customization options, Notion could be the preferred choice. Consider your specific requirements and workflow to determine which tool aligns better with your needs. Okay? So, as we all know, both Obsidian and Notions are popular productivity tools with different strengths and use cases. So, this choice between the two depends on your specific needs and preferences. So, I hope this video helped you to decide which one is better between Obsidian and Notion. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.